Hey, Brew and Feed here. I am at SweetBerry Fresh Market here in, I don't even know what city I'm in. But this place has been highly recommended. I've been here before a long time ago, probably 15 years ago. Let's go check them out and see if they know how to feed well. I'm leaving SweetBerry. The steak selection was a little scant. I did find one with a bit of decent marbleization in it, and we're gonna cook that with some asparagus and some carrots. I'm gonna do some glazed carrots, asparagus, and steak and potatoes, garlic mashed potatoes. And let's go see if I know how to feed well. Peace out. All right, I just left Mastehead Brewing Company. I got their 4.6% ABV Hellas to pair with my ribeye steak that I'm having this evening that I got from SweetBerry. So let's go sip on this while we cook, and then do a little beer and food pairing. Brew strong and feed well. All right, I am firing up the grill, getting it ready. I want to cook this steak on the grill, so I'm gonna pan sear it inside, but I'm gonna let it cook here for a few minutes, and then I'm gonna baste it with butter and all that stuff. So let's hook up this steak. So I'm here in the kitchen. I'm gonna explain what I'm gonna do because I'm not gonna film it all, but I'm gonna take these carrots, I'm gonna slice them long ways, and then we're gonna cook these in some butter. And then we're going to put a little bit of brown sugar on them, so we're going to have some glazed carrots. We're going to saute these. We're going to put some olive oil on these, a little bit of roasted garlic pepper, and then we're going to put these in the grill. So these are going to be grilled. And then the steak, I'm going to season it with smoked bourbon barrel flake salt that we sell. You can get it on our website. And some smoked bourbon barrel pepper that we sell. Both of these are cured by taking bourbon barrel staves, and they burn them and they smoke the pepper, and they smoke the salt with those staves from bourbon barrel. So that's why it gets that bourbon barrel like flavor. Of course, garlic. The steak is going to be made with garlic. Normally I use garlic and rosemary. Forgot to get the rosemary. So it's just going to be garlic, and then pepper and the salt. And that's the meal. So let's see what I'm working with. Can't believe I forgot to mention the mashed potatoes. I'm going to make garlic mashed potatoes too. A little bit of garlic, a little bit of butter, a little bit of garlic mashed potatoes. So that's also on the menu. Brew strong and feed well.